Arlo cameras can sometimes malfunction, appearing offline or failing to record properly. These issues often require a reset to restore normal function. One common problem is connection failures, where the camera cannot connect to the network or base station. LED indicators can show status problems like a red light indicating low battery or connection issues. For direct access cameras, forgotten passwords can prevent setup, requiring a reset. After a firmware update goes wrong, the camera may become unresponsive and need resetting. Resetting your Arlo camera is a common troubleshooting step that can resolve these issues and get your security system working again. Different Arlo camera models have unique features and reset procedures. Begin by identifying your specific model to ensure you follow the correct steps. One common location for the model number is on the back of the camera. Look for a label or sticker with the model details. Another location is under the battery compartment. Slide off the cover to reveal the battery area and check for the model number on the inside. You can also find the model number on the original packaging box. Check the labels on the side or bottom of the box for detailed model information. Remember, the reset process can vary slightly depending on your camera model. Always identify your model first to follow the appropriate steps. To reset your Arlo camera through the app, start by opening the Arlo app on your smartphone. The main screen shows your camera feeds and device list. Tap Settings to access the app's configuration options. Navigate to My Devices to see all your connected Arlo cameras and accessories. Select the specific camera you want to reset from the device list. Open the Device Info section to access detailed settings for that camera. Scroll through the settings to find the Remove Device option at the bottom. Tap Remove Device to initiate the reset process. This effectively disconnects and resets the camera. Confirm the removal when prompted. The camera will be disconnected from your account. After removal, the camera will no longer appear in your device list, completing the reset. For Arlo cameras with a physical sync button, typically found on older models, this method can be used to reset the camera. First, locate the sync button on the camera itself. The sync button is usually located on the top or back of the camera. Here's a close-up view of the button's location on compatible models. This sync button is primarily designed for pairing the camera with its base station. However, pressing and holding it for an extended period can sometimes initiate a reset process. To attempt a reset using this method, press and hold the sync button for 10 to 15 seconds. Watch for any indicator lights that may flash during this process. After the extended hold, the camera should begin its reset process. Keep in mind that this method's effectiveness depends on your specific camera model. Remember, the sync button is mainly for connecting the camera to its base station in the network. The reset function is a secondary feature that may or may not be available on your particular model. Factory reset depends on your specific Arlo camera model. Some models have a tiny reset pinhole. Check your camera manual for the exact location, often near the battery compartment or on the bottom. Use a paperclip or reset tool to gently insert into the pinhole. Hold the reset button for the correct duration, typically 10 to 15 seconds. Watch for the camera's LED indicator to flash a specific color, confirming the reset. Remember, factory reset is a last resort as it will erase all camera settings and configurations. After resetting your Arlo camera, you might encounter connection issues. Common error messages include camera failed to connect with codes like 65535. First, ensure your base station is powered on and online. Check for the green light indicators. Verify your Wi-Fi connection. Look for any warning symbols on the network icons. Check your camera's battery level in the Arlo app. Look for low battery notifications. As a first step, restart both your base station and camera. Follow the reset instructions carefully. If issues persist, visit the Arlo support website for additional help.